We've all been there, stumbling across an interesting website, a must-read article, or even a comic, only to realize it's in a language we don't understand. Instead of copying and pasting chunks of text into a translator, wouldn't it be great if everything could be translated instantly, right where you need it? That's exactly what Immersive Translate does. My name is Daniel, and today we are talking about Immersive Translate, a free AI-powered translation tool that makes language barriers disappear. In this video, we will look at its features and find out if it's the right fit for you. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's dive in. An introduction to Immersive Translate. Alright guys, so before we get all the features, let me tell you a little about Immersive Translate. Immersive Translate is basically your personal translation buddy that works right in your browser. The best part? It's completely free. What makes it really special is that it doesn't just translate websites, it can handle PDFs, ebooks, and even create bilingual subtitles for videos. I mean, how awesome is that? Now, here is where it gets even better. You know ChatGPT, DeepL, and Gemini? Immersive Translate lets you pick which AI engine you want to use for your translations. It's like having multiple translation experts at your fingertips. And guess what? You can use it on your phone too, so you're never stuck with content you can't understand, no matter where you are. Over 10 million people are already using it to break down language barriers, and I can see why. Whether you're studying a new language, doing research, or just browsing international websites, this tool makes everything so much more accessible. Features. Okay, now that's out of the way, folks. Let me show you what Immersive Translate has to offer. First, let's go to their website, immersivetranslate.com. To start working with Immersive Translate, you'll need to install a browser plugin. One of the great things about it is it's compatible with multiple browsers. So whether you've got Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari, or even Tempermonkey scripts, Immersive Translate has got you covered. As an alternative, you can use it directly on your iOS or Android mobile device. There are QR codes you can use to download the app. So as you can see, guys, the app isn't just for desktop users. Mobile support through TestFlight lets you take translation capabilities on the go. Simply set it as your default browser and enjoy seamless web page translation wherever you are. But let's dive into the features. What, in my opinion, makes Immersive Translate special is that it takes web page translation to the next level with its real-time capabilities. It doesn't just translate text, it intelligently handles any websites or documents you might have. For example, I've got this Japanese Wikipedia article. To use Immersive Translate, I can click this icon at the top or this sliding button here on the right. I'll click Translate. And in just a few seconds, the website page is translated. As you can see, it doesn't just replace the text with translation, but adds translation after each paragraph, which is pretty neat. And if I have a PDF document to translate, I'll just upload my file and boom, in seconds I've got it completely translated. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring, and in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. And it doesn't stop at websites and documents. It translates input fields, meeting subtitles, and even group chats. This means you can join Zoom calls, Microsoft Teams meetings, or Google Meet sessions and understand everything that's happening without missing a beat. And if I want to translate something specific, I just hover over separate words or place my mouse over any paragraph for instant translations. This interactive approach gives you options, quick pop-ups for selected text, or fast context-preserving translations when you hover over content. No more copying and pasting into separate translation tools. And get this! You can translate whatever you type in the input boxes into any language you want. To choose your target language, just go to Options, then Enhanced Input Box, and pick the language you need. Now let me show you how it works. Let's say I'm working with ChatGPT and want to type my prompts in Spanish. No problem. I just type my text in. And there you go. Immersive Translate immediately translates it. This is super convenient and saves a ton of time. What makes Immersive Translate special? Let's talk about what sets Immersive Translate apart from other translation tools out there. First off, it's incredibly user-friendly. You don't need to be a tech wizard to figure this thing out. The design is super intuitive. You just install it and you're good to go. No complicated setup, no confusing menus, just instant translation at your fingertips. The language support is honestly mind-blowing. With over 100 languages available, Immersive Translate is breaking down communication barriers all over the world. Think about that. No matter what languages you are working with, chances are this tool has got you covered. Whether you're chatting with someone across the globe or reading content in a foreign language, Immersive Translate makes it possible. For those who like to tinker and customize their experience, the API integration options are a game changer. You can connect to popular services like DeepSeek, Microsoft Translator, Google Translate, OpenAI, or Gemini. This means you're not locked into just one translation engine. You get to pick what works best for your specific needs. Want more accurate translations for certain languages? Need specialized terminology handling? You can set everything up exactly how you want it. What really makes Immersive Translate special is how it combines simplicity with power. It's easy enough for anyone to use right away, but has enough advanced features to satisfy even the most demanding users. That's honestly pretty rare in the translation tool world, where you usually have to choose between ease of use or advanced features. Immersive Translate gives you both. Final thoughts. So there you have it. Immersive Translate is a powerful tool that makes understanding foreign languages effortless. Whether you're reading an article, watching a video, or even attending an online meeting, this tool ensures nothing gets lost in translation. It's easy to use, packed with features, and completely free. What more could you ask for? If you haven't tried it yet, I highly recommend giving it a shot. You might be surprised at how much easier it makes browsing the web and working with different languages. And if you do try it, let me know in the comments. How do you plan to use Immersive Translate? What features do you find the most useful? I'd love to hear your thoughts. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time!